Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable active status on Facebook on the mobile version for iOS and Android. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right corner, and then go down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select Settings, and then scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility, and you want to select Active Status. If you want to enable active status, you toggle it to the on position. Otherwise, you can toggle it off by just left-clicking inside the oval. So you won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, recently active, or in chat with you. And it works the same way in reverse, so you can't see them and they can't see you, basically. So go ahead and select Turn Off, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.